Hi, I'm Erin.
I'm Jesse.
And today we're doing a robot jam session. So Jesse is the musician, a really creative one at that. Can you tell us more about your background and what you're doing here?
Sure, yeah, I'm a percussionist and a composer. And one of the things that I've gotten interested in recent years is adaptive instruments or assistive technologies that help people make music. So people who've maybe never made music before, or people who maybe have limited motor control. And so today I hooked up an iPad equipped with the adaptive use musical instrument. I attached one to one of Erin's robots. The way it is normally, so this is the software is called the Adaptive Use Musical Instrument, and normally in the past it's been mainly used to trigger different kinds of samples, and you can customize the tuning, you can customize the tonal center, whatever. You can customize like the way it looks. So for example, we could put it like this, and you get more of a kind of scalar situation. So what is new, for me at least, is using the software to send MIDI signals to these mechanical strikers. So now if I'm still, okay, here we go. So now should we maybe get Bowie and this contraption happening together? What do you think?
Yes, I think so.
All right.
Okay, so we have this iPad reconfigured now, so it's at this height. So this way we'll be able to see the robot rolling past.
Sure. It will be tracking the movements of Bowie the robot. Now Bowie the robot is still equipped with the Almy, the iPad running the Almy software. So any movements that he makes are going to generate sound. But simultaneously, those movements are going to be tracked by this one, the webcam built into this iPad, which is sending MIDI signals to all these different mechanical strikers. So we'll see what happens.
Yeah. That is so cool! Alright. Oh, I think we had one fall off.
Oh, yeah. That happens. Here's a crazy idea.
Okay.
I'm wondering if we reposition this.
Okay.
Such that the movement of the arm won't be tracked by this, but rather the two screens are facing each other. So that
Ooh.
what I'm curious about is whether, because the image that it's tracking shows up in the screen. It doesn't have to, but I have it set up so it will.
Right.
I'm wondering if, so this will track that, but I'm wondering if this could track the movement it sees in the screen. That
Yeah.
I've never tried before. So this is
Okay.
kind of an experiment. Let's see
An
what happens here.
experiment.
An experiment, that's right. Let's see what we get here.
At Robot Missions, we like experiments a lot.
Yeah. Okay, so now, let's see what happens here. Bowie moves the arm. Let's see what happens. So that works.
It works.
We have a kind of infinite regret. Well, it's not infinite, but we have a kind of
An interesting feedback loop.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, feedback loop.
Okay, so let's
I'll
back
get out
up
of the way.
the robot. So is there a musical term for like feedback loop, or when one thing builds?
Feedback loop.
Okay.
That's a musical term right there.
Okay, cool.
Well, I would say for an initial experiment, this was very successful.
It's a lot of fun, and
Yeah.
you get to hear interesting music and notes being played.
Indeed. That's perfect. It's perfect.
Oh,
That is great. It's not going to knock it off. There's no way. I love it. That's a perfect ending.
Alright, high five.
All right. Okay.
Thanks for tuning in to this robot jam session. Jesse, where can we find out more about your work?
Oh, well, I have a website that at this point is rather out of date, but there's a new one in the works. But that's at jessestewart.ca, JESSESTEWART.ca.
Awesome. So definitely check out jessestewart.ca for some of his previous works. And for the robots, you can check out robotmissions.org.
And if I can mention one other thing, if you're interested, the app that I was talking about, the Adaptive Use Musical Instrument, or ALMI, that's available as a free download through a new website at www.almiapp.com.
Alright, well thanks so much for your time. This
My
was a
pleasure.
blast.
Thank you. I really had a lot of fun with this, so thanks, Erin. I appreciate it.
What is this one called?
That's just a spring.
Cool. Whoa.